Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sandy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this wig from start to finish just using braid extension. If this is something that interests you, kindly stick around. Welcome once again to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video, especially the fact that this hairstyle is a low budget. This is more like $2 and it's just made with braid extension. If you've been looking for ways like slay effortlessly without breaking the bank, then this video is definitely for you. The fact is that you can actually make this and also sell, so here I just placed the net on the wig cap, and then I used my sewing machine to sew this because I wanted this to be very neat. But you can use needle and thread to achieve this also. So anyways lovely, just keep on watching so that I can basically understand how this was made from start to finish. And if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, okay? So that you can actually see more and more of my videos, and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. And yes, this is what we have here, the braid extension. I already cut it to the desired length because I want this wig to be a short length wig, so I already cut my desired length short. So I'll be taking this in little portions like so, and also I'll be using the smaller size of crochet pin to make it this. And also I'll be showing you 3 different ways that you can actually crochet this. I was basically just looking for different ways to like make this very fast. So after doing this is more like the double knots kind of method, but this was quite taxing, especially the fact that I was going to spend too much time in making it. So after the double knots method, you can use the double knot, or you can use a single knot, or you can use the split knots. Well, however, I used the split knots in completing this. So this is how far I've gone. You can see how tiny it looks. I know you guys will be like, oh, this is stressful, but trust me, it was totally worth it. So this is the split knots method, and also I'm going to be showing you an exciting and amazing way that you can actually make this silky. I didn't put this in a hot water, and trust me, it wasn't in a hot water at all. Very I'm going to be showing you, so just keep on watching, okay? So this is the split knot method that I was actually talking about. So this was quite easy and fast for me, and while I was crocheting this, I was making sure that I wasn't like in a straight line. So just keep on watching so you can basically understand this. And if you haven't given this video a huge thumbs up, can you do that now, okay lovelies? And I'll just let you all watch this video by yourself. So far it is actually progressing, as you can already see. So this is me just making sure that it is as neat as possible, you get. So this method was very easy. Trust me, you would have it would not be stressful for you to make if you want to make this by yourself, and it's totally explanatory. As you can see how easy I was able to like crochet each and every one of the strands. So lovely, just keep on watching. You just want to keep crocheting until you get to the very top, where we'll be making use of our ventilating needle. Before I ventilated the front part, I already placed this on my head to get the actual hairline that I wanted. So you can just take that into consideration, place it on your head, and then use your pencil to just mark or trace your hairline. I already did that, but just for visual purpose, I just using my pencil so that you guys can actually see the hairline properly. You can see the hair is already coming out nice, and for the ventilation I did a lot of spacing. This is just to make sure that the hair is looking as realistic as possible, so you don't have to do too much by you know, not spacing it at all, like one line, then you leave the other hole, and then you ventilate the next line. You can just do one line, then two holes, one line, two holes, one line, two holes, like so, and then when you get to the next line you skip it all the way, and then you continue the same process. So that's it. That's just basically what I did in ventilating this. As you can see how the hairlines were looking very natural, and just because this is more like trying to fake that natural kind of hairstyle, so I was making sure that this hair was looking as realistic as possible. And as you can see how the hair is looking already, let me know what you guys think about this process, you know, in the comment section. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, kindly do that now. Okay, lovelies. And thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for sticking through with me. And this is how the hair is looking already. Very beautiful. So I'm gonna be explaining the method that I use to make this hair as silk as possible. Finally, the process you all have been waiting for. I didn't use hot water for this at all. No hot water at all, because I didn't want to go through that process. So if you're that kind of person just like me, you can follow through. So I was making use of right after I was done parting it in sections, I was making use of my comb to just, you know, comb this properly before I use my hot comb. So the secret to making this as silk as possible is my hot comb. I didn't apply any product to straightening this. No product at all. Just keep on watching so that you can basically understand. So this is the hot comb. It's not necessary that I get this particular kind of hot comb. You can get any kind of hot comb. So I was just brushing it like so until I was satisfied with how the hair texture was looking like. So that is just basically it, and this is how you'll be able to do yours also. So just keep on brushing it in this motion. Just keep on brushing it, section them in place, and then just keep on brushing it with your hot comb. So this is basically what you'll be doing until you're done brushing it in sections, and it will come out as silky as possible. So while you're approaching the front part of the hair, you just want to, keep parting it in sections. Make sure that you're doing it in sections, because that's the only way you'll be able to achieve a satisfied result. So this is basically what you're gonna be doing. You can see how it's already coming out looking very nice, and I feel like this is very, very okay. Like, you do not need to put it in a hot water, although it would appear like it will have this shiny kind of look, like synthetic, but with this method it will look more like this natural kind of hairstyle, like your own natural hair. I don't know if you get what I mean, but you see that at the end of the video how it was looking as very, very natural as possible. So this is just basically what you'll be doing. Just keep on brushing, do not add any products at all, keep on brushing like so, and as you can see, guys, see how beautiful it's looking like. So right after you're done brushing this, I applied my leave-in conditioner, Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. You can use any kind of leave-in conditioner, and then I made use of my hot comb. Please do not, make sure that when you're applying, you're using your hot comb, it is not so hot. Make sure that it is not so hot, please. Make sure it is not so hot. I do not want comment like, oh, I tried your process and guess what, the hot comb burnt the hair. Please do not use, make sure that the hot comb is not so hot. Okay, lovelies. So anyways, this is how the hair is looking like, and I just wanted to part it to the side because I feel like it's gonna make sense when it's parted to the sides. Okay, so lovelies, just keep on watching so that you can see how the hair turned out to be, the installation process. I'm sure you don't want to miss that. Okay, so this is the inside of the hair. This is how it is looking, so very neat. You can see the lines as though I wefted, as though it was wept. But anyways, that's the essence of making sure that you take your time when crocheting it. So this is how the hair is looking like in my other mannequin. Very beautiful, so realistic. I am super excited about this results. Trust me, you have no idea how happy I was with the results. So yeah, I was using the listings that I made by myself. If you guys want to see how I made this listing, just comment in the comment section that you want me to make a video, and I'll definitely do that. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I can see the essence of that listing, like it made it look like it had that natural, realistic kind of scalp. I didn't have to use foundation and all of that. It wasn't necessary at all. The listing was totally giving and making sure that this was looking more like a HD lace. So this is basically how I did my installation process. Just keep on watching so you can see how I did this from start to finish. So I didn't really show all the whole details for the installation because this is the first time I'm doing this in camera. Okay, so yeah, this is listings again. I was making sure that it was gonna blend to my scalp. Okay, so what I did was just adding just a little bit of glue, not too much, and not glue like per se, the got to be spray. So that's just basically what I did, and then I used my elastic band to just secure that in place, and this is how it's looking like. So beautiful, so natural, so realistic. Let me know what you guys think about this video, because I know the result is really epic. Trust me, you can't tell me this I did not try. You cannot tell me I did not try. Okay. So let me know what you think about this hair, the outcome, the process in the comment section, and I'll see you all lovelies. I'll see you in my next video. Do make sure to stick around because I'll be coming out with more videos, more DIYs, epic transformations, so you don't want to miss out. Okay, kindly join our wonderful family by subscribing to our channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, lovelies.